Mama June and Honey Boo Boo are here. Today, Mama June's giving you her step-by-step plan to keeping the weight off, and she credits her trainer, Kenya, who is here.
Hey, everybody.
So what was the biggest obstacle, Kenya, of helping these guys get where they wanted to be in life?
The biggest obstacle was really her believing in her. See, everything is about reasons. And her reason originally was to show her ex how fine she could be. But what I wanted to show her and what I wanted to drill in her is, you know, this is about you. You got to start putting you first. And once she bought in, it was just easy. It was an easy sell.
But, Kenya, it's easy for you because you're in great shape. How was it for you, Mama June?
I mean, honestly, I have to say that, like, there's a lot of things that I thought I wouldn't do. I started running with him. I had never ran in my whole entire life. It's the motivation, honestly.
So I saw you going through the fridge, cleaning it out. What did you replace the food you threw out with?
First of all, the refrigerator was atrocious, just horrible. Everything you're not supposed to have, she had. So what I did was I replaced everything with lean meats, fruits, and vegetables. It was a hard sell, but you know, once she started seeing all those curves pop in, it became very, very easy for her to buy in.
All right, so the big question, Mama June, is what are you eating now to stay healthy? So come on over here.
Okay.
We're gonna walk you through the basic meals that we all eat every single day. And I'm gonna start off asking you about breakfast, because I understand you don't often get up in the morning. Like, let's say morning.
No.
Like,
I'm not a morning person by no means.
None of us are morning people.
so what time do you get up usually?
4 o'clock in the afternoon.
No, normally about 12.
You get up at noon?
Yeah, I'm more of a night person.
All right, so breakfast. This is a typical breakfast, apparently, when you did get up in the morning. You used to have, you know, a double stack, a bunch of extra stuff. This is the new breakfast that you're offering, folks.
Yes.
Which is, you know, what's that, Canadian bacon?
Yeah, well, actually, it's turkey. It's turkey bacon.
Turkey bacon.
Yeah, so actually, as we all can agree, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but with June, she treated breakfast like it was the Last Supper. So we had to change the mentality altogether. So I love turkey sausage, turkey bacon, and I love egg whites. And people always ask, okay, why don't you use the entire egg? Because when you take out the yolk, you actually take away the cholesterol.
Yeah. All right, so lunch, which I don't know when you eat, but for most people, you know, lunch would be around 1 or 2 in the afternoon. This is what you used to have, which is, you know, a couple, you know, big burgers, different vendors, fries. Now it's a whole different ball game. This is kale salad.
Yes.
And what's that? A turkey burger?
Yes.
Yes, it's a turkey burger.
Turkey burgers are really, honestly, people think they're nasty, but I can promise you, I love some turkey burgers, don't we?
All right, dinner. This is a big catastrophe. Used to have 3 pieces of pizza. This is what you're telling us. Now you've got these chicken wraps.
Yes.
Yes, they're good.
Yeah, so what we did was, I love chicken, and I love to make it decorative. So what we did was put lettuce and chicken together, because the cool thing about the lettuce is it's only 6 calories, and we're really working on portion control.
How did you learn this stuff, Kenya?
I went to Clemson University. Home of the Clemson University Fighting Tigers. Special shout out.
And you played football, I understand.
Yes, I did. From 94 to 96.
I'm going to look up your game films. I don't know how you learned, but you did it well. All right, come on over here.
Thank you.
Now, I know, Mama June, you probably want the whole family to eat that way. Is that true?
I know, right? Yeah.
What are you dancing about?
No, we're fixing to sit and stand.
Yeah, she loves and hates this move all at the same time.
I honestly did not think I could do it, because I watched him do a video on his Facebook page, and when he had me do it, I was like, I don't think I can do this.
Right, well, we're going to do it all together. It's called the sit-up stand, is that right?
The sit-up stand-ups.
Yeah.
Right, so
it's a total body
Honey Boo Boo,
move.
you're over here with me. We're gonna replicate what they're doing over here.
Yeah, baby.
Come on over
Can
here.
I take my shoes off, because I don't think these are going to...
That's okay. You go up there with Kenya. So Kenya's, Mama June, you're going to lie back here.
Yeah, I know.
And then, you know, of course you know, you do it all the time.
She's like, I do this move all the time.
All right. So
This is one of these, I mean, I hate to be mean, you say, come on, let's get sexy with it.
Yeah, this is the sexy move. Okay, so turn your feet this way.
Are you going to this way?
Yeah.
you lie right there and just copy your mom if you don't mind.
And the cool thing about this move, the cool thing about this move, you can do this with family members.
Wait, how am I standing?
No, I'm wrong. I was wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, 12-year-old.
I know, right?
Where your legs go like this?
Yeah, so what you're gonna do?
You gotta lay down, remember a lot?
Oh no.
You remember?
There you go. So what you're gonna do, if you're the person sitting on the person, you wanna sit on their feet. You wanna put your thighs on their feet. So you're gonna do a sit-up, and then you're gonna stand up.
Come up, come up.
Boom. Just like that. Now you're gonna sit back down.
Oh.
You're
Back
gonna do
down.
a sit up.
What are these?
Now who said that workout
What are these?
have to be boring?
She's
There
doing
you
great.
go. Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.